What if scientists could control your brain without touching you at all? One experiment proved this might actually be possible. Point 1. The strange beginning. In the 1960s, a neuroscientist named José Delgado started working on a shocking idea. He believed that human emotions and actions could be controlled using electrical signals inside the brain. To test this, he created a tiny device called a stymosiever. This small chip could send signals directly into certain parts of the brain. Delgado first tested it on animals, especially monkeys and bulls. The results were disturbing. With a simple button press, he could make an angry animal suddenly calm down, or make a calm animal become aggressive. People watching the experiments couldn't believe what they were seeing. It looked almost like mind control. But for Delgado, this was only the beginning of something much bigger and much more terrifying. Point 2. The bull experiment. One of Delgado's most famous experiments happened inside a bullfighting arena. He implanted the small brain device into a powerful bull known for aggressive behavior. Then he stood directly in front of the animal with nothing but a remote control in his hand. As the bull charged toward him at full speed, the audience expected disaster. But just seconds before impact, Delgado pressed a button. Instantly, the bull stopped moving and became strangely calm. The entire crowd was shocked. It looked impossible. People began wondering if human thoughts and emotions could also be controlled in the same way. The experiment quickly became famous around the world because it showed something terrifying. The brain could possibly be controlled like a machine. Point 3. Human brain testing. After the animal experiments, Delgado started testing similar ideas on humans. Some patients who suffered from severe mental disorders agreed to participate. Electrodes were carefully placed into different areas of their brains. During the experiments, scientists discovered something shocking. By stimulating certain brain regions, they could trigger fear, happiness, anger, or even sudden laughter. Some patients moved their hands without wanting to. Others felt emotions they couldn't explain. One patient even said it felt like someone else was controlling their thoughts for a moment. Delgado believed this technology could someday help cure dangerous mental illnesses, but many people became deeply uncomfortable. If emotions and actions could be changed with electricity, where would the limit stop? Point 4. The fear around the experiment. As news of Delgado's experiment spread, fear also spread quickly. Many people believed this research could become extremely dangerous in the wrong hands. Some worried that governments or powerful organizations might use brain control technology to manipulate people. Others feared a future where human freedom could disappear completely. Newspapers started calling Delgado's work electronic mind control. Even though Delgado said his goal was to help humanity, the experiments created huge ethical questions. Could science go too far? Should humans have the power to control another living mind? The idea terrified people because it attacked the one thing humans value most, free will. For the first time, the world seriously questioned whether thoughts and emotions were truly private. Point 5. The dark truth about your brain. What made Delgado's experiment so frightening was not just the technology, it was the realization that the brain is basically an electrical system. Every emotion, memory, fear, and decision inside your mind is created through signals moving between neurons. That means changing those signals could potentially change how a person thinks or behaves. Modern neuroscience today still uses brain stimulation technology for medical treatment, especially for depression and brain disorders. But Delgado's experiments left behind a disturbing question that still haunts people today. If the human brain can be controlled with signals, then how much of our personality is truly our own? And could someone someday learn how to fully control the human mind? Maybe your thoughts feel completely yours. But experiments like this prove one terrifying thing. The human brain might be easier to control than we think.